Hey everyone, welcome back to Ride by VIP. This is Vipin. I just took up a challenge for myself to do these videos daily. So today is day one. This is about my journey with my bike, which I bought it in 2021. A brief about how the journey was in these 3 years. Recently I got my fourth service done for the bike. The journeys I had been on the bike, just a glimpse of it I am sharing at across. That's day one. Let's see how that goes. Do comment your suggestions how the series is. I'm planning to keep it crisp as much as I can. Let's see how it goes. Yeah, let's take a quick spin and talk about the journey on my bike. If you have seen my previous videos, I had bought this bike on Jan 1st 2021. From there on I started the journey of traveling on the bikes. Before that I used to own a hunk, that too only for the office commutes. Apart from that, no rides as such. I wasn't in that league itself. But yeah, at the back of my head I had this zeal of traveling. Then I thought, maybe why not take a bike and do the tourings. I was considering the options of KTM, Duke, Adventure 390, and then as well as this BMW 310 GS. That time the price reduction was there, so I went ahead with this bike. From there on, no looking back at all. I recently had the fourth service done for this bike. Yeah, it costed me a bomb. Service cost is one thing which is slightly on the higher side for this bike. Apart from that, no complaints, no regrets. Ownership in these 3 years, I only had once an issue with the battery, which had to be replaced under warranty. That too, luckily I was at home itself. I tried to start the bike, it wasn't starting, so I called RSA and got it moved to BMW service center and got the battery replaced. Total as of now I clocked around 22,500 kilometers. First year I had clocked around 8,000 kilometers. Due to lockdown and all those mixed things, it wasn't, I couldn't do much. Second year I was able to do around 17,000 kilometers because that time I had taken a long leave and I had done some solo rides and also group rides. Initially at the start I used to go for the group rides, bigger group rides. Later on it became a closed group. I enjoyed a lot on this bike. This year I am planning to do good amount of trips. That's one challenge I have given to myself. So for the fourth service, I told it costed me a bomb, right? The main reason for that was 3 things. One was the sprocket, chain sprocket, both front and rear were changed along with the chain, and the fork oil was changed in the front forks, and also the third one was the cone setting, greasing and the bearings were changed. Because in the last trip to East Godavari, I observed that when I was traveling slow and all, there was kind of a wobble in the handlebar. It used to shake like this, which was not comfortable enough. And even when I took it to the showroom, they said there are 2 options. Either you can go ahead with just the greasing or you can change the set also. So I went ahead with that, and altogether with the service cost and all these 3 things, it costed me a bomb. But yeah, be prepared if you are planning to buy it. The service cost is on the higher side compared to the other competitors like KTM Adventure 390 or even the new Himalayan. Generally for a quick spin I take this route because the roads are good and traffic is comparatively less. Only this stretch of the college has some traffic, but apart from that, rest of the route is peaceful. I've done good amount of trips on the bike. I went to Gandikota with the gang and many other rides, breakfast rides I would say. to all the different highways, either Mechal Highway, Bangalore Highway, or even the Nagpur Highway, and even went to Anantagiri Hills. The first big trip I had done was to Kerala with my brother-in-law. That video is there in my channel. Do check it out. I'll leave the link in the description. Do check it out. It was one amazing ride. I went around this time frame, like Jan time frame itself. So we went from here to Bangalore, from Bangalore to Kerala, and later on next big and longest rides, I mean continuous rides, were the series which I did. I went to Goa, I went to later on I came back, I went to Jannaram, then later on went to Munnar for 2 weeks, roamed around places over there. That series is also in my channel. Do check it out. And after that I came back, went to Gokarna. There during the trek I broke my leg and I couldn't ride my bike, so I had to park my bike in one of my friend's place in Goa with the help of my cousin, and I flew back to Hyderabad. Later on, once I was good enough with my leg, I flew to Goa with family for a weekend, had amazing time, and I came back on bike. So that was one amazing trip on bike. After that I did Pune ride, East Godavari recent ride, Somasila, Vizag Colony. All these rides were like amazing. I thoroughly enjoyed them. Yeah, that's about it. Short and sweet video. I just wanna do a series, as I mentioned earlier in the video. This is a new series which I have started in my channel for my memories, and as well as you guys can also see and have good time. See you in the next video. Until then, stay subscribed, like the video. Hope you like the series, or if you have any suggestions for me, do comment it out. And this year I am planning for good amount of rides. Stay tuned. I'll try to record as much as I can. This time no excuses. Every ride when I go, I feel shy and I tend to excuse myself. I feel a bit of a laziness and not record much, but this time I gave a challenge to myself to improve on that skill set. Let's see how that goes. Thank you everyone. Have a good day.